Have you ever found yourself racing against the clock as tax day approaches, wondering if you can just get a little more time to file your returns? It is a common feeling for many, especially when juggling different forms and deadlines. When it comes to state taxes, you do not always need to file a separate state tax extension. In many states, if you successfully file a federal income tax extension, your state automatically grants you an extension to file your state return as well. However, this is not a universal rule, and it is crucial to remember that an extension to file is never an extension to pay any taxes you might owe. The reason for this variety lies in how states structure their tax systems in relation to the federal government. Many states adopt a system that mirrors federal tax law to simplify compliance. This means they often align their filing deadlines and extension policies with the Internal Revenue Service. However, other states have unique tax codes and independent processes, requiring you to proactively request a state extension, even if you have already filed for a federal one. Some states, of course, do not even have an income tax, making this question irrelevant for their residents. To figure out your specific situation, the best first step is to visit your state's official Department of Revenue or Taxation website. Look for sections on filing extensions or common tax questions. You can also review the instructions for your state income tax form, which typically outline the requirements for extensions. If your state requires a separate form, fill it out and submit it by the original tax deadline, making sure to pay any estimated taxes due to avoid penalties and interest. An interesting detail is that even if your state grants an automatic extension, they almost always requiring you to pay any tax liability you anticipate by the original due date. Failing to do so can result in penalties for underpayment, even with a valid extension to file. Think of the extension as extra time to gather documents and complete your paperwork accurately, not a delay in your financial obligation. Always estimate your tax due carefully and pay what you can to avoid surprises. Ultimately, understanding your state's specific rules for tax extensions helps you avoid unnecessary stress and potential penalties. By taking a few moments to verify your state's policy, you can ensure a smoother tax season, giving you the peace of mind to accurately prepare your return without rushing, all while staying compliant with your financial responsibilities.